In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export images from your Shopify store. This is really useful if you want to back up your product photos, reuse them in marketing materials, or edit them outside of Shopify. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to download any image you've uploaded to your store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home area where you can see an overview of your store, like recent activity, sales, and other analytics. From here, we're going to move into the section where Shopify stores your media files. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, find and click on the option called Content. Depending on your layout, it might be grouped with other sections, but it should simply say Content. Clicking this opens up a page that helps you manage different types of content associated with your store. On the Content page, you'll see a few different options. What we want is the place where Shopify keeps all your uploaded images and other media, so go ahead and click on Files. The Files section is essentially your store's media library. Here you'll see a list or grid of all the files you've uploaded over time, including product images, banner images, logos, and any other media you've added. Now, browse through the list and find the image you want to export. You can scroll through manually, or if you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to look for the file name or part of it. Once you spot the image you want, click directly on that image. This will open a detailed view of the file. In the file detail view, you'll see a larger preview of the image, along with some information like the file name and type. To export or download this image to your computer, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small download icon that looks like an arrow pointing down. Click on that icon. Your browser will then start downloading the image file, usually saving it to your default downloads folder, unless you've set it to ask you where to save each time. And that's it. You've successfully exported